What's going on, YouTube world? Today we are out on Lake Travis, and we had a really bad rain come through here, so we're just gonna go ahead and brush up this home right here. We're gonna take care of most of that outside window. They had some renovation done, so we're gonna knock that out. So let's get to it. Pia! What do you think? Am I taking you up there with me? We going up together? All right. Slag. I don't know if you can see that slag. Make sure you let your customers know. You probably can't see it right here, but when they're making the windows, sometimes dirt and stuff gets in the form and it creates these little bubbles, and they're welding and you get sparks and slag and it melts it. And just make sure you're aware, the customer's aware. Save a problem in the long run. You ever feel like you're being watched? All right, that's it. All in all, I say it turned out pretty well. Pretty good. All right, so let's go throw some estimates, man. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. How are you? What are you doing? You know what I saw outside? A dirty, stinking rat.